found this YouTube channel making about $36,000 per month just from ad revenue. Let's take a look at what they're doing. It's interesting to see that they aren't showing their face in their videos, yet they produce high-quality content. This proves you don't need to show your face to succeed. Just posting some random and relaxing videos or any low-quality content that nobody wants to watch won't get you anywhere. You need to create something valuable that people want to see. I watched one of their videos, What If the Planets Changed Positions? It has a whopping 90,000 plus views. I mean, who wouldn't want to know what would happen if planets changed positions? It's a completely faceless channel too. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can kickstart your very own YouTube automation channel with this awesome method. Trust me, this is going to be full of real, useful info. Seriously, if you stick around till the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your own YouTube automation business. Let's make an awesome YouTube logo using AI. First, we need an AI image generator. You can use any one you like, but I'll go with Leonardo for this tutorial. Step 1, let's go to ChatGPT and ask for a design idea for our logo. The channel we're modeling uses just 2 English alphabets. Now, I think we can do something cool here. Their logo is a bit dull and common, so let's make something unique. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us a list of characters that would fit well. These characters should look super cool and remind us of some science fiction vibes. Once we get the list, we'll pick one and ask ChatGPT for a text prompt to use in our AI image generator. Now, head over to Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation on the left side. Set the image dimensions to by 800 by 800 because that's the format YouTube uses for logos. I'm going to choose this effect because it's one of my favorites. Next, paste the logo prompt into Leonardo AI and press Generate a few times until you get a logo you like. Our logo is done. Download the one you like best. Finally, go back to YouTube Studio and upload your logo. And there you go, we're ready to move on to our next step. So, I took the topic from their video and used it as a starting point for my video. I made sure to write a high-quality script starting with an engaging hook, starting with something that grabs attention right away. This keeps viewers interested and makes them want to keep watching. Paste the topic in ChatGPT, and I already wrote this prompt in the chat section. You can pause the video and watch this prompt easily. Press enter and here my script is ready, but read the script first and then remove all the unnecessary parts from it. For example, these are very unusual words, so I am going to remove them while copying the script. Now, in the next step, I need visuals for my video. If you are thinking of taking videos from the free stock website, then my friend, it does not work now. Instead of this, I am going to generate AI videos for my visuals because these videos would be too relevant according to my script. I found this amazing tool, HyperEye, which is completely free to use and you can create visuals for your videos. Now sign up here and open this page. Click here to create a video with text. As you can see, there are many video filters here. You can choose them according to your script requirements. Now, just write a prompt, for example. I need visuals of planets, so I think this prompt is good. Press enter, and here my video is ready. Now write the prompts one by one and generate visuals for your video. Now the next step is voiceover, so let's dive into how to pick out our voice. First, look at the bottom left corner of this box and give it a click. That'll open up the voice menu. You'll see that 11 Labs has a bunch of voices to choose from. Take your time and listen to a few until you find one you like. So, once you've chosen your voice, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script, and paste it here. Next, start copying your script in small chunks and paste them into 11 Labs. Keep each voiceover part under 700 characters. If it's too long, it'll sound dull and not impressive. Now it's time to edit the video in CapCut. Import all the visuals and voiceover, and then drag and drop here and adjust your video clips according to the voiceover. Now add some transitions and effects. Okay, let's make this straightforward. We're going to add a simple transition between our pictures. First, go to the Transitions tab and look for the Overlay section. Find the transition, drag it, and place it between the first and second animations. On the right side of your screen, set the duration, but I think it is good. Now, the transition is applied to all the files. Next, we can add an effect to make our video look cleaner and more engaging. The channel we're modeling doesn't use any effects, so using one might give us an edge and help us stand out. Go to the Effects tab, find this section, and apply the effect. Now, let's do some color grading to add a bit more darkness. Go to Do Adjustment, click the plus sign, and stretch the adjustment layer across the entire project. On the right, scroll down to find vignette and increase it to around 10 to 15. Go up and set the brightness and increase the saturation a bit depending on how your video looks. Next, go to the filters panel and browse through the trending filters. Pick one you like. I'll go with this one. Adjust it on the right side so it's not too intense. Looking good so far. Alright, stay with me here. Now we just need to tweak some audio settings, add captions, export the video, add background music. Drop the music file you've chosen into the timeline and set it to lower than the voiceover. Listen through to make sure it sounds good and trim any extra part of the song if it's too long. Next, let's add captions. Go to the text tab and hit auto captions. After a few moments, captions will be generated. Choose a template you like from the right side. Adjust the captions towards the bottom of the screen, select your font, and change the text color as you prefer. Now we're ready to export. Choose 60 FPS and 1080p, and wait a few minutes. Finally, we need to upload the video. The next step is making a thumbnail. Let's make our thumbnail. Go to Leonardo AI and generate an image for a thumbnail. Write the prompt here, for example. My video is about space and planets, so I need something happening in space. Head over to Canva and create a YouTube thumbnail project. This will automatically set the right dimensions. Import our chosen image and add some text. Our video title is "What if the planets changed position?" So I'm going to type this text here in a text box and place it here like this. Now you can change the text font, color, size, and position. It depends on your topic of video. Looks like we're done. Download your thumbnail and here at the final result.